Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 56. GADA GADA. The Korean word GADA is a verb which means to go. Again, GADA is a verb which means to go. How do we write GADA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable ga, we need to draw first a giok character followed by an a character. And for the second syllable da, we need to draw a dikot character followed by an a character. To understand more about GADA, let's try looking into this example sentence. It says, 저는 오늘 집에 가요. Again, it's 저는 오늘 집에 가요. 저 means I, and 는 is a subject particle added to 저 to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. Aside from 는, we have also 은, which is a subject particle, and it differs based on the subject ending. So if the subject ending is a vowel, we'll add 는. If the ending is a consonant, we'll add 은. So going forward, 오늘 means today, 집에 means home or at home, and 가요 is the present tense form of our word for today, GADA. So basically, 가요 means go. But how is GADA transformed to 가요? So initially we have GADA, and this is the root verb, and the first step to the conjugation of GADA to 가요 is the removal of da. Now we're left with ga, and after that we'll have to decide what is the suffix that's supposed to be added to it. And as shown, yo is the supposed suffix. And ka plus yo is 가요, and that is the present tense form of GADA. However, how do we choose a suffix to be added to a verb? So if we wanted to transform something into its present tense form, we'll need to choose between oyo and ayo. If the last letter of the verb is not a or o, we will use oyo. If the last letter of the verb is a or o, we'll use ayo. And since the last letter of ga is a, we will add ayo or yo. So that's 가요, which is the present tense form of GADA. So, if we combine the meaning of these four words, it would result to a sentence that means, today, I will go home. And with that, you've just learned GADA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 46 to 55. But don't forget, our word for today is GADA, which means to go. The first word for our review is word number 55, 뭐예요, and this is used to ask, what is it? Next word for our review is word number 54, 이름, which means name. Next word for our review is 만나다, which means to meet. Next word is 아침, which means morning. Next word is 수고하세요, and this is used to say, keep up the good work. Next word is 천만에요, and this is used to say, you're welcome. Next word is 없어요, and this is used to say, there is no or I don't have. Next word is 있어요, and this is used to say, there is, it exists, or I have. Next word is 정말. This is used to say really or very much. And the last word for our review is word number 46, 미안해. This is used to say, I'm sorry. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 103. Gajima. Gajima. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is ga, the second syllable is ji, the third syllable is ma. Pronounce it with me. Gajima. The word gajima is considered an imperative expression or a command. And this is the same as saying, don't go. Here is just a little bit of background about the origin of the word gajima. If you would remember, this is similar to how hajima is formed. Gajima is just the combination of gada and jima. Gada is a root verb which means to go, while jima is a suffix that negates an action or a root verb. This time, the root verb is gada. Therefore, the meaning of the word gajima is simply, don't go. Now, how do we spell gajima in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ga in Hangul, we need to draw first a giok character followed by an a character. For the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a jiot character followed by an e character. For the third syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the three syllables to form the Hangul of the word gajima. And with that, you've just learned gajima. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 93 to 102. Don't forget our word for today, word number 103, gajima, which means don't go. Word number 102 is hajima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't do it or stop it. Word number 101 is tala. This is an adjective which means to be different. Word number 100 is sonja, and this is the Korean noun for grandchild. Word number 99 is adel, and this is the Korean noun for son. Word number 98 is pumo, and this is the Korean noun for parents. Word number 97 is tal, and this is the Korean noun for daughter. Word number 96 is ane, and this is the Korean noun for wife. Word number 95 is nampyeon, and this is the Korean noun for husband. Word number 94 is halmoni, and this is the Korean noun for grandma. And the last for our review is word number 93, haraboji, which is the Korean noun for grandpa. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Korean words.